If I had 10,000 mouths, I cannot tell it all. Now breaking lemo. Hello friends, you are highly welcome to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon and good evening. Above all, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. How are we doing? How are we celebrating it in our various locations? I want to believe you all are doing it in a wonderful way. To God be the glory. Okay. Uh I'm so sorry for not being able to come up for some times now because of one thing or the other. I have been so busy, like super busy, but by God's grace I am back again. So I'm sorry for keeping you guys waiting, because I promised to come up with one video about moon water, I mean moon plug, but it's quite unfortunate I couldn't come up. But notwithstanding, we have a video about that, like the previous video about that. So if you did that, that is perfect for you. Okay, still gonna work well for you. All right, so that will lead us to the business of today. Firstly, I want to say thank you to my friends that are coming up with some testimonies about um some of the they were able to do one or two things concerning the area, mainly the area they needed help, and to the glory of God they came out successfully. Like, I've gotten so many congratulatory messages, and definitely I will start posting it as soon as my community tab is open. Okay, so congratulations to you guys, and I promise you that if you are one of us that have been trying to do one or two things and it's not working out for you, check out my previous video about a soap. Try and do the soap, and I tell you all the herbal remedies will start working for you. All right, so without wasting much of our time, I will also appreciate those that have been with us till the beginning, from the beginning of this channel. This is exactly 2 months. This channel is 2 months today, and I want to say thank you for your support. God bless you all for me. And then, to those that are yet to subscribe to my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button below and then the bell icon beside it for notification, so that when I post my videos you will get it right there on your phone. And then we are fully back here discussing about the New Year rituals, and not just New Year rituals and the full moon plug. To the glory of God, this year is ending in a wonderful way. Definitely, if you can utilize this opportunity, you will smile. Like, the next year will be a wonderful year for you. It is not something you just, you can just jump in. It is all about preparation. Many of us, we may be starting the new year maybe in a way that may not be really nice, but please, if you can give yourself a trial, like trying to practice new things that I'll be teaching you this 2021, by God's grace, it's going to be a very successful year for you. Okay, so stay tuned while I tell you step by steps on what to do for you to have it all there. Alright, so number one thing you need to do for me is this. First, if you have not been practicing before, please, you have to start by breaking every curses. There are some curses hindering you from not getting things that you are supposed to get. So you start by breaking the curses. Okay, you can check my previous videos of the link in the description box about how you can produce your um breaking of courses soap. Okay, I've already produced like two soap here. A soap you can do on your own. What you need is just to get the materials and you are good to go. Okay, so try and break the courses and then get the other soap to take your shower. Like I always tell you, whenever you want to start anything spiritual, you have to start with palm kernel oil. Okay, yes, by using it to rub on your body, and then using bathing with local salts, as in you have to add local salts into your bathing tub, like your bathing bucket, your water that you're going to use to take a shower. Okay, when after doing that, then you can proceed to new year rituals. Please let me tell you one good thing. This video supposed to come earlier, but I'm so sorry, it's coming so late. Okay, please accept my apologies. So what are we talking about? When if you have been following me, you bear with me that I've produced like two soap here, and you can do it on your own. And not just that, after breaking the courses, please, yeah, I'm advising you to make sure you forgive yourself. Make sure you forgive yourself before stepping into the new year. Don't step into the new year bearing grudges. Don't step into the new year having someone in mind that you want to do one evil or the other. If they have evil in mind against you, please make sure your hands are this way. Like you are not bearing any grudges against anybody. Okay? And then you have to pray earnestly. Let me tell you one thing. First, like anything, one is unique. Okay, so don't joke with that number one. Don't joke with the number 7. Don't joke with the number 12. Okay, these numbers signify so many things, but if you can try as much as possible to utilize this 1st of January 2021, definitely the whole year of 2021 will be a perfect year. Don't start it with the few things I've told you, and then try and forgive yourself. Try as much as possible to be in good time, and never you, in one way or the other, be an obstacle to someone's success. Always tell my friends, because once karma is fighting you, definitely it needs God's divine grace for you to escape the law of karma. Okay, so please, if you're one of my followers, I will advise you to please try as much as possible to abstain from being the reason someone is wetting his or her pillow crying every night. The karma can be so dangerous. Okay, so not deviate. Try breaking of course itself after taking it, though it is short term notice, but yet everyone should know that 1st of every year stand for something good, something remarkable. You need to plan yourself. Yeah, you need to plan yourself. Okay, the next year you are entering, whatever you must have lost the previous year, you are going to get it. Okay, another thing you have to do for me is this: get me the oldest broom in that house. Make sure you're not stepping into the new year with it. Use it to sweep your room, and while sweeping, you will be telling that as you are sweeping with the oldest broom, you are making an agreement that every negativity in this room is being swept, is going, I am sweeping them off. They are not stepping into the new year with me. After sweeping your room, please burn that broom, as in set it ablaze. Use the local broom. Okay, local broom, you can see the picture on the screen. Local broom is very significant, like it's very unique. It's very unique. I've not really made a video about local broom, but if you can check online, you will see so many uses of local broom. Okay, and then get your new broom to welcome in success into your home. Okay, let me arrange it the way you understand it. Like I said, breaking of courses, if case you've not done this, okay, we don't have time for you to start doing it, because it's going to take you for 7 good days. Meanwhile, first is around the corner. So the simplest one you have to do is to forgive yourself. Forgive yourself. Don't be an obstacle to anybody, success especially. And then use your oldest broom at home. This one you should have it already, to sweep off your room, to sweep your compound, to tell the clear words. After that, set that broom ablaze, discard it, and tell every negativity around you, negative energy around you, that as you are setting this room ablaze, as this room has been used to sweep off every negativity, I am commanding this room and every negative power in this apartment to go. Like, give it a command, then go back, have your thing. Make sure you pray with your partner, like your family. If you're not yet in your family house, find them beautiful, pray earnestly, seek what you want, and then tell your ancestors, tell your guiding angels, this is how I want this year to be. For let me tell you something, you are the one holding yourself. You cannot give a command. Like, we have been given the power. Okay, so whatever, forget about whatever happened this year, like coronavirus, pandemic, and all the rest of it. Especially here in Nigeria, we experience another dimension of the whole thing. But to the glory of God, if you're still alive to this point, you still have a better option to amend it than those lying down there on the grave and then the mortuary. Okay, so why not take a drastic measure to step into the new year in a wonderful way? I must tell you, there are things we cannot be taken for granted. Like, not everything we take for granted. I remember, so sorry, I'm deviating a little. I remember those days when I was growing up. At times, we may not really know the reason. What we need to do is just to look for, fireworks. We have to look for knockout, mention it, just for us to, to feel it, feel it. Everybody will be like, wow, it's a celebration. It's not easy for you to pass out from the previous year, entering into another new year. But it's not all about celebrating it. You still need to prepare so that the forthcoming year will end in a wonderful way by God's grace. Okay? So, my dearest friends, I want to stop here right now, because if I continue, it's going to take us a longer time. But I still apologize for coming up late, like very late. Yeah, I want to apologize seriously for coming up very, very late with this video. This video would have been here like since last month. Okay, so we all can prepare ahead of time. But for the few friends, those that are going to try this, I wish you all success. Okay, and then for those who are not going to try this, okay, you can check out another one. It's not all about first. I still have another unique information I want to pass. Like the first rain from January 1, please, the first rain that will drop, we all need to have this rain. Remember, there are ways you can collect rain water, because all of them signify something. Okay, taken under the roof, under a leaf, directly from the sky, all of them has one reason or the other why it is so. So if you want to know much about that, you can check the description box, because I have a video about it here on this channel, just for you to go check it out, and then you can give it a trial. Okay, so first rain of the year, we are patiently waiting. And one good thing about this year is it is ending with full moon. And definitely, if you want to be part of this full moon and the blessings, please don't forget to try. I have made a video about full moon plug. I've also about two of it, so don't ever miss any. I made mention of some materials needed for the full moon plug, but because of our time, because of how choked it is right now, you can check out the previous video, like the link I'll be dropping that will take you to the previous video about full moon and all the rest of it. I wish you all great success. I wish my wonderful friends here wonderful um end of the year 2020, and then a successful 2021. Yes, 2021 is going to be a successful one. Don't forget to pray with your white and green candle. Remember what this signifies. If you are praying, don't forget it, okay? Yeah, two of them has a reason, and that is why you should. And if you are praying for love, you have to use red. Yeah, red candle. If you are praying for love, you have to use red candle. If you are praying for purity, white candle. If you are praying for prosperity, like open doors, you are going to use green candle. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, let us end it here. And then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon beside it for notifications, so that whenever I post my videos, you will see it right there on your phone without bothering about it. So dear friends, that is the end of today. I am my wonderful family. I myself and my family, like me single-handedly, I want to wish you all wonderful New Year celebration, okay? And then thank you for supporting me. God bless you all. Love you guys. Bye bye.